Here is the directional video for our Suite 2 guests wanting to access the laundry room. So from here, you want to follow your path, go to the black gate. From here, you'll exit the gate. You want to make sure you close the gate behind you as always. You're actually going to walk towards this driveway. The Tesla may or may not always be parked here. You're just going to keep left. You're going to want to follow this all the way down. Then we're going to want to turn into this alleyway right here. And up the stairs. Okay, and this will bring you to a parking lot located at 33 Cannon Street. We're just gonna walk towards this White House here. You're gonna wanna go under the deck and you'll see CHC Vacation Rentals laundry room. So here is where you're gonna enter your access code that you got upon check-in. And then pull it, and this is the laundry room.